Okay, it's been a little while since I've done a pack opening. I'm mostly interested in the Strixhaven cards, so let's just take a look at Strixhaven. Here we go. Yeah, I don't think I have very many cards yet. I'm expecting like most of the rares I do have to probably be green. But yeah, there's a ton that I just have zero copies of. I haven't really been rare drafting at all. Which is maybe why I've been having decent results, I guess. But yeah, there's a lot of things that I just do not have in terms of rares. Yeah, I barely have any of these snarls. And yeah, that's about it. Yes, I actually had 0 of these Sedgemoor Witch, and I crafted 4 of them because I made a Witherbloom constructed deck. But other than that, yes, in terms of rares, it's pretty lacking, I guess. It doesn't show the Mystical Archive cards in here. I don't know how to find those. Maybe if I change this to Historic Mystical Archive. More things that I just don't have, I guess. Like, I do have some of these. But yeah, even in terms of Mystical Archives, not many of those either. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into opening the packs now. I've seen a couple of growth spirals come up, just never really had a chance to pick them. Packs. So yeah, just get some gems here from having all the Eldraine rares. What about Theros? More gems, that's good. I'm actually trying to get to 8,000 gems. In case I want to do the Arena Open a couple of times. Still don't have all the rares in Ikoria. Definitely don't have them all in the core set either. I think I have them in Zendikar. And maybe Kaldheim. And that got me to 8,000 gems, so that's good. Got a rare wild card there. Okay, don't have all the Kaldheim rares. It wasn't my favorite set to draft, so not surprising that I'm missing some of those cards. But I don't think there's too many rares that I don't have from Kaldheim. I could look at the collection afterwards just to check that. Okay, I guess that means I just got all of them. If it's giving me gems for rares. Okay, so for the, I'm gonna do this. Let's just open a couple of these and then maybe do 10 at a time. Yeah, there's probably going to be a lot of firsts here. Okay, if I do 10 at a time, it probably won't. Alright, let's just try one of these, but it might not even show the mystical archive cards that I get. If they are rare. So see, it's only... Oh no, this is a mystical archive card. How does this work? How does this... Am I even going to see all of the rares and mythics that I'm getting? Like... If... Or does it only give you either a rare in the archive or in the in the actual set? I don't know. Are any of these good? I mean, this is a good card. It's nice to get a... Alright, let me... I'm just going to open a few of these at one at a time. Okay, so I got a rare. So you can get more than one rare in each of these. So yeah, this is... If I did open 10, I'm pretty sure it would have just showed the Urza's Rage there and not the Baleful Mastery. So am I really going to do this 50 times now? I got, yeah, my first, a lot of firsts here. So yeah, if you get a rare mystical archive, that means you get another rare, like an actual rare from the set, I guess. Don't know if you can get more than 2 rares. Probably not. So yeah, I'm definitely more interested in a card like the Spyro Regiment than whatever this does. That card seems interesting for a limited deck, maybe. So yeah, still getting a lot of firsts. Lawhog command. I'm pretty sure I had like no commands of any of them, probably. I think I had one Witherbloom command, but that's probably because that card's not very good. See, here's another double rare pack, if you count the Mystical Archive. This is a Mythic Rare. That's pretty good. Like really good in limited. And you can make a spirit deck with it. Yeah, I don't think I want this video to be too long. Here's another double rare pack. I guess anytime I get a rare Mystical Archive card, that's when I'll get 2 rares. Most of these rare Historical Archive cards aren't playable in standard, at least. A lot of them are probably playable in historic, and you can play any of them in limited. I think maybe after this I'll just start opening 10 at a time again, even if it means that I won't see every rare that I'm opening. I will be checking the collection anyway afterwards. Magma Opus. Still a lot of these even if they're uncommon Mystical Archive cards, still like a first ofs, a lot of them. First Lawhold Snarl there. God's Willing. This hasn't been out of the I don't think this is in standard anymore, but it used to be. And a Light Scribe. Let's just open 10 at a time. Don't want this video to be very long. A lot of firsts here. First Rowan and Will. The Royal Scions. Time Warp. Another Doomblade. Silverquill Command. Okay. Yeah, I've never had this card before. I don't even know what this Explore the Vastlands does. It's probably not great, which is why I've never seen anyone play it. That's a pretty decent lesson. First Galazeth Prismari, first Mascot Exhibition. I've seen this come up a few times in draft. Just never seemed worth picking. This is my fourth Poet's Quill. First Callous Blood Mage. I might actually put that in some constructed decks maybe. But yeah, this will be the end of the opening of the packs. Another Witherbloom command. Not the best of the commands, I don't think. Compulsive Research is good. I won't be using it though. And yeah, let's just see. I don't even know if I want to look at the all the Mystical Archive cards. Let's just start with the rares and mythics from Strixhaven. I've also got my vault now at 100%. So yeah, it's looking a bit different than it was before when it was a lot of empty space. But yeah, maybe yeah, that's because they're all it puts all the firsts at the on the left. So I wish I had some of these cards. This one of these was a rare draft. But anyway, let's just maybe I'll just check the Mystical Archive. Yep, not a lot going on. But yeah, anyway, that'll be it for this one. And yeah, still got a ways to go in terms of collecting all the Strixhaven cards, but it hasn't even been out for that long really. I think less than a month, and I haven't been drafting a ton. I did take a few, like a week or so off just to earn some more gold and gems. So anyway, that'll be it for this one. Opening some packs, mostly Strixhaven. So yeah, that'll be it. Thanks for watching. Bye.